Hello guys, hello ladies and gentlemen. Before I introduce the pabrik that used in Batam to produce from coconut, I want to introduce myself first for you. My name is Hilda Octapia Manalu. I study in University of Trunojoyo, Madura. With my ID number 19021110009 and 5. My study program is agribusiness in agricultural faculty. Okay, now I want to introduce the pabrik that called with PT Pulau Sambu atau Guntung was found in 1983. Okay, let me see this video. So, Pulau Sambu or PT Pulau Sambu or Guntung was found in 1983 in Guntung in Riau province. From the beginning, PT Pulau Sambu or Guntung's main produce have been coconut cream and dedicated coconut. This fabric is a minor island in Riau Island province of Indonesia. It is located on the northwestern side of Batam Island. PT Pulau Sambu or Guntung is the supplier of desiccated coconut to well-known confectioners and chocolate industry in Europe, North America, Australia, Middle East, and China. Its coconut cream under the Cara brand name is now popular in Asia, Australia, and European markets. With the ever-increasing popularity of Asian dishes that have coconut cream as an ingredient, the market for coconut cream is bound to expand worldwide. So that PT Pulau Sambu was incorporated as a company in 1967, but its legacy first began with Mr. Tay Johanna's pioneering spirit. The late Singaporean-born founder ventured to Indonesia's Kuala Tungkal in the Jambi province and turned his heart and soul to build a foundation that is both innovation and socially inclusive, and he later chose to adopt Indonesian citizenship and dedicate the rest of his life to his business and his people. About the history of Mr. Tay was attuned to the interconnected nature of business and social dynamics. He envisioned a company that was holistic in all aspects and sought to build a company that would simultaneously and benefit farmers, business partners, customers, and Mother Nature herself. The vision of strategies that Mr. Tay set out for the future has always driven from the company's foundation, driving it away from mainstream trends and instead into uncharted territories full of opportunities. Okay, above all, he had the noble ambition to provide sustainability to the life and future of society as a whole. His deepest desire was to be a contributing member of his community, one that would help to pave the way for generations. Okay, for 6 long decades, Mr. Tay cultivated his vision into a reality. His pioneering spirit led the entire coconut industry to greater heights and developed a system beyond anything anyone had seen before. A new business model was developed from copra trading to copra mining. His efforts soon took root and blossomed into Sambu Group. As we know today, till this day, Sambu Group commemorates and lives by his vision and strategies, driving the company to walk down an untrodden path in search of better opportunities. PT Pulau Sambu or Kuala Enok was established in 1987 as Sambu Group, first coconut oil processing plant. The plant produced crude coconut oil, refined bleach, and deodorant coconut oil as well as copra expeller for the export market. All products were eventually developed and certified in accordance to international standards. So in 1983, PT Pulau Sambu Guntung was built as a specialist factory for sophisticated downstream products such as coconut milk or cream, coconut cream powder, the desiccated powder coconut water, and coconut shell carsol. Next is management of production. Prior to production, the best quality coconut are screened and selected to produce the highest coconut cream and desiccated coconut using high technology equipment. One of the keys to the high quality of PT Pulau Sambu Guntung's desiccated coconut is its Proctor and Schwartz 3-stage dryer, which was built specifically for the company application. In addition, the Alpha Laval production line, which has been painstakingly perfect over the years, now produces coconut cream of a quality second to none. Unlike genetically modified organism or GMO crops, coconut cultivation at the plantations are natural and not artificially modified. Okay, now every coconut has its own shape and size, and these variations make human operators the only means to process those coconuts. The labor-intensiveness of coconut processing makes it natural for PT Pulau Sambu to be socially integrated to its surrounding community. Now we go to management marketing. Okay, the market management is encouraged by the success of Hara brand. PT Pulau Sambu or Guntung expand its production to produce nata de coco, coconut virgin oil for pharmaceutical industry, and carsol from coconut shell, coconut water, and drinking water under the brand name of Kara Aces in 2001. PT Pulau Sambu Guntung so start commercial production of spray-dried coconut cream powder. Fully committed to the implementation of Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point or HACCP standardization, a stringent hygiene standard which requires continuous monitoring of inspection of the various stages of the production process, is in the November of the year 2000. The PT Pulau Sambu Guntung was awarded both ISO 9002 and HACCP certifications by SGS Singapore. Okay, like PT Pulau Sambu Kuala Enok, PT Pulau Sambu Guntung is also a fully self-sufficient and self-supporting complex. The complex has satellite communication facilities and its own power generator that provides electricity for the entire complex as well as for the domestic use by the employee. It's built in 1989, is equipped with two 40 feet heavy container cranes that can use loadless oceans going vessels efficiently. Okay, another distance advantage of PT Pulau Sambu Guntung is that it's strategically located near Singapore. As you know, the Batam is located near to Singapore. All cargoes are exported via Singapore's efficient and world-class seaport. So it's so easy to use the market management for this PT Pulau Sambu. So about contributions, this public commit to maintaining and protecting the market leadership in world's coconut industry through engaging in market-driven innovations and product superiority through optimizing balance and sustainable benefits of all of all involved stakeholders. We are committed. This public committed to developing the community of their various domains. And now, what about the effect to the environment? The first is barren to thriving. So this public use the coconuts in Indonesia is a source of life for many, and they try to cultivate more opportunities in turning inhabitable and barren peatlands into a thriving land. The second is three per 4 REs. The main is committed to create a waste-free management system in their social environment through education. So about reduce, reuse, recycle are core values they try to implement in their business as with their people. To live by example, they have begun constructing buildings using bricks from recycled waste. Now is the waste management. The waste management. Organic material that come from their commodities are deemed as resources instead of waste. While they adhere to the rigid handling process system, they believe that managing material successfully will turn waste product into benefit. Is for their community and their environment healthy. Okay, the last is canalization system. The peatlands behave as giant sponges that soak up water to mitigate flooding. So they use the strategy to avoid the flooding during the dry season. Peat releases water slowly and can be a source of fresh water for surrounding communities without canalization system in place. It acts as a flood control and means of water for some. Okay, thank you everybody. This is definitely about the fabric that produce a coconut like nata de coco, like the oil of coconut. Thank you very much to give your attention for me. Bye.